If you see blinking indicator lights on your Shark Rocket IX141 cordless stick vacuum, it usually means the vacuum is alerting you to a power or performance issue. These lights can indicate low battery levels, a blocked brush roll, or an airflow obstruction inside the vacuum. Since the 9141 uses sensors to monitor the motor and airflow, the lights are designed to warn you before the vacuum loses suction or stops working. Fortunately, most blinking light issues can be resolved with a few quick checks. Try these. Step 1. Check the battery level and place the vacuum on the charger if the battery is low. Step 2. Inspect the brush roll and nozzle area for hair, debris, or blockages. Step 3. Remove and clean the dust cup and filters to restore proper airflow. Step 4. Reassemble the vacuum and ensure all parts click firmly into place. Step 5. Turn the vacuum back on and test it on the floor to confirm the lights stop blinking.